Welcome to our new videos of Molecular Kitchen, where we cook and also talk about science and particularly chemistry about cooking. And this week episode we are going to make Bengali style banana flour curry, or popularly known as mochar konto. So mochar konto or banana flour curry is basically a curry based on banana flour cooked with other vegetables and spices. If you think carefully, banana is a really versatile plant. Of course, we take banana as fruit, and the banana leaves are used as food plates traditionally, and of course it's biodegradable, so good for environment. Also, we use banana stem, or actually it's called pseudo stem or thor, as vegetables, and also banana flour or mocha as also vegetables in different countries, including India and Thailand. So let's make banana flour curry or mochar konto today. Bori tori diye besh jamiye banano jak. Let's make it. This is banana flour. We're going to cook this one. We're going to get the bract of the flour out. Khoshata chhariye nite hobe. These are the florets we're going to cook. You need to remove some part of this floret. For example, this little slender thing, this is called pistil. We're going to get rid of that, and also the calyx part. So this is the pistil, and this is the stigma of the pistil. This is the calyx we're going to get rid of. These parts really hard to digest and also bitter in taste, so that's why we're going to remove from the flour. Yeah, it takes some time to remove those, so have some patience. Let's clean the florets. Trimming the top and bottom part of this helps removing the bracts really well, so we're going to do that. We're removing the bracts. Now slowly we're getting to the core of the flour. Pastils in these florets are not very hard, they're very soft, so I'm not worried about these. You don't have to remove any part here. See, this is soft. This is the core of the banana, or heart of the banana flour. This is the whole thing. It's really rich in iron and calcium. After chopping, we need to soak them in turmeric, salt and water so that they get softer. It also soaking also removes the bitter taste a little bit. We're going to chop the core part. It's really soft. Diabetes is a serious problem in today's world, and what happens in diabetes is that our body cannot handle the glucose properly, either because there's not enough insulin in our body, or there is none at all. So traditionally, adjusting our food habits is one of the way to combat it. and different food has different effect on glucose level, and that is something measured as glycemic index. So what is glycemic index? It's basically the rise in glucose level in your body after you take that particular food after 2 hours. So potatoes and white rice and these foods have really high glycemic index, above 70. Glucose has glycemic index 100. Compared to different vegetables and sweet fruits, they have glycemic index below 55. So they do not increase your glucose level that much. And if you compare banana flour, it has glycemic index 10, so it's really superfood for diabetes. Okay, now we are adding the salt to the banana flour and also turmeric powder, as I promised. We'll soak them in water for half an hour. We also have eggplant, pumpkin, ridge gourd and potatoes that will go with this banana flour. Now I'm going to boil the banana flour with black chana in pressure cooker. It will take like one whistle. One whistle is enough. Also, banana flour is a little chewy and has like hard fiber, so enzymes in papaya can help to soften the flour, so we're going to add some papaya, raw papaya. Now add this to the banana flour and cook for another whistle. We're going to chop the potatoes and pumpkin, chop the ridge gourd and eggplants. We need also some spices, so we'll make a paste of clove, black cardamom, green cardamom and ginger. People have found that banana flour is really good for diabetes. It has some kind of anti-diabetic property. Now, what is the chemistry behind the anti-diabetic property of banana flour? People have found that there are some compounds called umbelliferon and luteol, and these compounds actually inhibit the enzymic activity of alpha glucosidase. What that enzyme does, it actually breaks the starch and carbohydrate into glucose and increase your glucose level in your body. So these compounds from banana flour, luteol and umbelliferon, they actually inhibit the activity of that enzyme, and that's how they reduce the glucose level and helps in diabetic patients. Now we are going to fry the bori. Bori is basically dried lentil dumplings made of urad dal and other kinds of dal, and we're going to fry the boris until they are a little bit brownish in color like this. Now we're going to add fennel, fenugreek, black cumin and cumin into the oil. Fry them a little bit. We're also going to add some red chili. At this point you can add the vegetables, your eggplants, ridge gourds, pumpkin and potatoes. This looks really good, isn't it? We're going to add turmeric and salt. Now we're going to saute the vegetables with the spices. We're adding the other masala paste that we made earlier. Just mix them well and stir it. This will be really good. Now we are ready to add the banana flour into the vegetables. And mix it, of course. So the banana flour is boiled already, so it's good. At this point we can add the bori, which is already fried. We're adding water and we'll let it cook for some time. In 2016, some scientists from India actually studied the effect of banana flour extract in diabetic rats. So what they have done, they actually gave the banana flour extract and these compounds, luteol and umbelliferone, in diabetic rats, and they found that it actually improved the diabetic symptoms in these rats. So banana flour is actually a superfood for that. Looks like it's done almost. We're going to add some clarified butter or ghee and sugar. Mix them. The sugar and ghee will enhance the taste. I like the bori little softer, so that's why I added a little earlier in the middle of the cooking. If you want it a little crunchy, you can add it later part of the cooking. Now it's done. Enjoy your mochar conto. I really like these vegetables. It's healthy also. This is our lunch today: rice, mochar conto and fish fry. If you like our videos, please do subscribe to our channel. See you next week in another episode of Molecular Kitchen with some new cooking and new chemistry. Bye bye.